So we got the GX460 all finished up. The installation on this vehicle is the same for all push button start Toyota and Lexus vehicles. So we're going to give you guys a quick demo using the app here that we installed for the customer, as well as the factory key. So we're going to show you real quick where our harness plugs in to the vehicle. So on the push button Lexus and Toyota vehicles, there's a BCM right behind the driver's side dash. It's very, very easy to get to. On this particular vehicle, we're able to just loosen the dash panel here and get right back to it. We don't even have to pull this down. So there's a BCM right back in here that we connect our harness to. And then over here, there's a 7-pin connector that we tie into. On the Lexus vehicles, it's back in a little bit, that silver box. On the Toyotas is actually right here on the steering column. So you can see our wiring harness right here that says SLP. We haven't buttoned everything up yet because we wanted to test it out. So I was gonna take the opportunity to kind of show you guys how everything works and how easy the install is. It took me 6 minutes to do this install, start to finish. So all I gotta do is put 3 screws back in the bottom of the steering column and she's good to go. Now on the factory key fob, what we're gonna do is tap the lock button 3 times. So you hit lock, lock, lock. Give it a few seconds, you'll get confirmation from the vehicle and it'll fire up. Now from this point, you guys can do 3 things. You can let it run. It's gonna run for 15 minutes. At the end of 15 minutes, the runtime will expire, the car will turn off, the doors will lock, and everything will remain just as it was before you guys remote started the vehicle. You can hit the lock button 3 times to turn it off. So that'll cancel remote start, the vehicle will turn off, the doors will lock, and everything will just stay as it was. The third thing you guys can do is when you're ready to drive away. So let me go ahead and fire this back up. Now after it's running, you guys can hit the unlock button on the key fob, or the touch sensor still works on the door. So you can just hit that, open the door. On the push button Toyota and Lexus vehicles, the engine will turn off when a door is open. So all you have to do is jump in, restart the vehicle, and drive away. So on the app module, what we're gonna do is show you guys the function and features here that we have available. Bottom left is lock. So if I push that, the vehicle will blink the lights once. It will chirp, giving you guys confirmation that it has locked. Same thing with the unlock. Hit unlock. We got 2 blinks on the vehicle. You'll get 2 beeps from the app if you guys have the sound notification on. And then you can see the update status here, which says doors unlocked, which is green. I'm not sure if you saw it when I switched over, so let me hit lock again and that'll flip back to red, telling you guys that the doors are locked, just like that. Now, remote start is the top left, so all we do is tap that. You'll get confirmation from the vehicle, just as you do when you hit lock 3 times on the key. The app will also give you the audible notification that remote start has been sent. And then once the remote start sends the confirmation back to the app, as you can see that just happened, we have a countdown timer that enables here from 15 down to 0. Now, just like the key fob where you guys can hit lock 3 times and cancel remote start, on the app, you hit the top right icon and it's gonna go ahead and cancel that out. A couple other features we have on the app, you hit the little arrow down here. It's gonna bring up a map pin icon and then a building. The building is just all of our information, our email, phone number, business hours, all that stuff. And then you can come back in here and the map pin is going to be a GPS locate feature. So this isn't a tracker where it's gonna drop breadcrumbs or tell you how fast your car is going and where it's going, but it will give you a live ping in real time where your vehicle is located. And so now that you guys know how to operate the remote start with a factory key fob and all the features of the app, you guys should be all set, ready to go. If you have any questions, please let us know.